to or welcome back to my channel. It is Jennifer here, and today is going to be a really fun video, like always, duh. Today we're going to be using TikTok trends to upcycle clothes from Walmart. I'm super excited to get started. Before we do though, make sure to check out all of my social medias. Everything will be linked down below. And since this video is TikTok inspired, make sure to check out my TikTok. And yeah, let's just hop straight into this video. Boop, boop. Okay guys, so I already went to Walmart, hence the Walmart bag. I bought little things. Technically though, my friend bought this for me. I still owe her money. Jill, I owe you money, but thank you. Sponsored by Jill. No, I lost my keys that day. It was hectic. I'm not even gonna get into that. But if you guys want a story time, I'll definitely do that. I saved a bunch of stuff to my camera roll and to my favorites on TikTok of like stuff I wanted to kind of recreate, I guess you would say. Hopefully I can find these videos because that'll suck if I can't. So yes, let's jump into like the first thing I'm going to be flipping. Oh, this is exciting. I've never done this. I've never done this. Okay, so I'm gonna start with like an easier flip just to get myself like into the groove stuff. So let's get started with this first flip, and I'm gonna show you the video that I'm inspired from.
So first step is to grab a loose tank top. And then you're gonna need scissors, a Sharpie, and then like a straight edge. You're gonna use your Sharpie and make a line of how short you want your front to be. Now you're gonna wanna cut this side and this side. Then you wanna cut across this line. Then you're gonna wanna flip it over, make a line down the middle with your straight edge. And then you're gonna wanna cut this line, but not the front, only do it on this layer. Okay, so then it looks like this in the front, and here's what the back looks like.
Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna be using this black cami. She used more of like a tank top, like lace, which was really pretty on her part, but I just have this simple shirt and flip it. Flip, flip, flip. Okay, so first you take a straight edge, and I'm using this ruler right here, and I'm gonna mark it. Oh no, I messed up. How do people do this so easily? So now I'm gonna cut these two sides right here. There's this open flap right here. Now I'm gonna cut across the line. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the back side, and I'm gonna do my best to make a line in the middle. So now you just cut this part of it. So I accidentally messed up and accidentally cut too much, but yeah, this is the flip, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this next one is really cute and cheap, and it's basically from the baby section, so check out the video. So I ended up getting this blue one, and then I also got another one, but I'm gonna do something else to it. So I'm gonna start off with this blue one. Simple, really cute. Look at it, this little baby tee. Let's get the flip started. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by making a line right where the bottom ends, just a straight line. As you can see, and then all I'm gonna do is cut straight across from it. I'm just fixing up all the little mistakes I made. And boom, cute. Okay, so this next one is kind of fun, and it's a tie-dye type of flip. So I haven't tie-dyed something since like elementary school, when the teacher like did it for you. So this is gonna be a challenge and it's gonna be reverse tie-dye. So I'll show you the video and then I'm gonna do it. Okay, so I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did with the blue shirt and simply just going to cut it so it can become a cropped shirt. Voila. Okay, so I start this off by doing the accordion style on each leg. I don't know if that's the term, I just kind of made it up and it sounds nice, so we're gonna go with it. And I also made sure to do the crotch area as I rubber band everything together. I was really struggling, not gonna lie. And then now I'm doing the shirt, same thing, rubber bands everywhere as well. And then I did a roly-poly thingy-majiggy, tied it all up. I mean, it looked good to me. Okay, so I'm starting with the toilet bowl cleaner and putting it all over the place on the pants. And I'm making sure I'm getting it all inside. I recommend using Clorox, honestly, because this toilet bowl cleaner thing barely worked at the end of it. Getting it on the shirt and all over the place and then putting it in this bag and letting it dry for 24 hours. Okay, so 24 hours later and it looks like this before I put it in the wash, and I just have to cut the bands. Okay, I'm gonna keep cutting them and then put them in the wash. Okay, so unfortunately, it did not work whatsoever with the toilet bowl cleaner. So then I went in with Clorox bleach, did not work as well. And now I tried hair white bleach stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. It doesn't seem like to be changing whatsoever, honestly. So I'm just gonna go in with some paint and whatever. I don't care anymore about this. I'm just gonna rub this in. So I covered it all over with the blue paint, and you know what? This is last resort. I'm pretty sure it's gonna stain some way or another, like I put paint on it. So hopefully something will come out of it. If not, this is a complete fail. We shall see. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna be doing is actually the last thing that I'm gonna be doing, and I feel like it's gonna be a lot more complicated than I'd want it to be, but try my best, honestly. These light wash jeans from Walmart. They were about $8, I believe. And then I picked up this chain link right here, and then these little jump rings so I can attach to the shorts, and you'll see with this video. Okay, so I'm starting off by cutting along the edge of the shorts. As you can see here. And then what I'm doing is I'm taking these little tools and poking holes through the shorts, and I'm kind of changing them from like smaller to bigger just so that the hole can get bigger so that I can put the chain through. And here I'm cutting off the seam of the shorts just to make it easier. This will only cause the fact that the pockets won't work. And then I'm still continuing all along each side. And unfortunately, part of the video that I did got deleted showing me putting the chains in. So I do apologize for that. But yeah, I'm just putting a bunch of holes in all along the shorts. So here's kind of what I have going on. It's a little bit messy, but you can see the chains. and I was just linking them through. Obviously made the holes with these thingies, and yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like on. Hopefully it doesn't all come apart. So that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed all of those cute flips. Even though some of them took way longer than the others, I definitely think I would say it's an overall success. And I hope you guys enjoyed all of those fits. If you guys want to check out more content on other pages, make sure to check out all of my social medias. Everything will be linked down below, so please check that out. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you tell all your friends about Jennifer, because she's cool. Everyone should know about Jennifer. Everyone.